I've been on vacation and honey, I couldn't get to this camera. I mean, it was just too much. I had a birthday. Yay! I had a birthday. I ain't telling you how old I am. Guess. Guess or whatever. Okay, so we are going to be it's just a lot has been going on. Um my it was like I was torn because I was celebrating my birthday and then they had the shootings and it was just a lot going on and I just couldn't get to this camera and I was just like, um I go back to work tomorrow. So I wanted to come in and then at least this damn wig, y'all. At least get a video up or whatever and try to, get back on track or whatever. So everything has been going good. I hope everything has been going good with you guys. Um, I'm just really, like I said, I'm torn with all of the shootings. And because we had the 18-year-old, um, Buffalo, New York, and then we had another one in Texas. And it's just been a lot. Okay, and my heart goes out to the families, especially the ones who lost their babies. Okay, you get your kids ready to go to, first grade, second grade, third grade, and that's something that's not even close in your mind. You thinking about somebody taking your baby lunchbox, not somebody coming into the school and shooting your baby. So my heart goes out, or whatever. And I don't know what I would do if I was in that position. I know I would be severely hurt. So, enough about that. I'm coming in today to talk about this wig here. Okay, so this wig here, it is a lot of hair. Okay. Now what her name is, I don't know. I don't know what her name is or whatever, but I believe I got her on a sale. Okay, I got her on a sale, and I believe it was from I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember. So that's why I'm not making this video about this wig. But just in case somebody asks, it was a sale wig or whatever. I am wearing it incorrectly. Okay, how it's supposed to go is this part goes in the middle, but I'm wearing it to the side because it looks more better to the side. Okay, looks more better to the side. But what I'm coming in today to talk about is summertime hair, short summertime wigs. Okay, so I ordered a wig from Amazon. Okay, I will link the little tag of where I got it from. Okay, right over to the side. Now that's the wig. Then I'm gonna show a video on this side to show you what I had to do to get this wig to look like this. Okay, so here is the wig here. Now, with most of these wigs, most people don't buy them because they don't know how to make them fit their face. So this wig is to show you how to get it to fit your face. Okay, now most short wigs are masterpieces in disguise. You have to like dig in there and get the hairstyle out and get it to fit your face. Now, as you can see with the clip that I have going here, you see I took some clippers and began to take the weight off of the wig. You take the weight off the wig, and that way it doesn't look so bulky. Okay, then it doesn't look so bulky. And also pay attention to your sides because you want to taper those. I don't know what that is on my head. You want to taper those to your side of your head, okay? That is the key to a good short haircut, wig, is to get it to taper to your sides and frame your face. And that is what makes a short wig look real, okay? Look real, okay? So get you some clippers and honey, dig in. So go ahead and take a look at this clip and see how I actually cut this wig to fit my face, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Get started. I just want to show you the construction of the wig. Adjustable straps, and this wig has no combs. Okay, everybody, here is the wig. Once I have shaved it down and did all of the work as far as shaving it down to make it fit my face. Now, what I was telling you about shaving it down on the side, that is the key to a good short wig, is getting it to taper on the sides. Okay? Once you do that, you own this bitch. Okay? So, like this one here, I did cut some of the hair here in the front. Okay? And see, you can do it like that if you want to, but I can't see, so I'm not gonna wear it like that. Okay, to the side also. Here, you can do it that way. You just want to be able to manipulate that middle. Manipulate that middle part, and baby, that is your wig. Really, that middle part here, this is what makes the hairstyle. Okay, straight or just straight down. Okay, but that's what makes a really good short haircut wig, and to make it look like your own. Okay, I think I'll be coming in with this series about summer fun hair, summer short fun hair for the summer, because most people, they want to buy a short wig but don't know how to, make it look like their own hair. They want to buy it, but most of them, when you put them on, it don't look like this. It do not look like this. This takes a little work to get here. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video and got a couple little tips on how to freak one of those short wigs for the summertime. Don't be afraid to buy a short wig for the summertime. You just have to get you some clippers, girlfriend, and dig in. All right, this is your Black China doll coming in with some short, sassy looks for the summertime. Remember, stay sweet, stay kind, and girl, these days you need to be dodging bullets and looking around and keeping your head on a swivel and stay out of trouble. All right, bye.